Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to deposit crypto to Binance wallet safely. I just tap on my Binance account and officially logged in, and right now I will just tap on my deposit button, and after inside the deposit button you will see the trending coins or currencies. I will just tap on this USDT. I want to deposit in USDT. After you will just select the choose network of arrival time. I will just tap on a BNB smart chain. So after next, when you tap on it, you will just simply copy the deposit address and paste it. If you want to deposit from a PayPal, you will just open your PayPal login account and just tap on Bitcoin crypto and just paste it in wallet withdraw address. So just tap on withdraw address, and when you tap to pay now button, it will be deposit easily in this crypto on Binance. So it's very easy and simple and safely. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.